What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Happy December 1st. Look at Jesus. It's a Christmas season, which has kind of been Christmas season since November 1st. And then you get like that Thanksgiving break. And then after Thanksgiving, it's right back to Christmas season. But for some people, December 1st is the start of Christmas season. But yeah, we're here. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell. Today's video, I'm going to show you all, me making some Christmas wreaths. I think all of the products came from the Dollar Tree. Like 98% of the products came from the Dollar Tree. Look what I found at Five Below. Like, come on, like come on. But yeah, just about everything came from Five Below. I was initially making 3, but I only made 2 because the third one just didn't turn out right. But yeah, I ain't got nothing else to say. Just look at it, like it, love it, maybe. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Okay, so first thing first, the camera angle will be fixed momentarily. Bear with me. But what I did was went to the Dollar Tree and bought a metal wreath and painted it white. And I bought the snowflakes from the Dollar Tree. Some are big, some are small. And I'm just placing them around the outer level of the wreath before I hot glue them to see how it's going to look and how I want them positioned. Okay, here I'm just showing you how I glued the snowflakes to the wreath. I basically took the hot glue gun and put like a little a little bit of glue on the center part and put it onto the wreath. And it stuck for the most part. I did realize that like the day after or a couple days after, I had to like hot glue the snowflakes again. So there may be an easier way or better way to do it. I just didn't figure that out. So that's what we got. Look, I fixed the camera angle like I said I would. Look at Jesus. But basically, after I finished that outer level, outer ring of the wreath, I repeated that same process 2 rings up, just to make it look more full. And then I began to decorate it. So I bought these picks from Dollar Tree. They're several little glitter picks. I bought them, and then those flowers, they came from Big Lots, but they were just like $1.50. And then now I'm just positioning them on the wreath to see how I want everything to look before I actually glue everything down. So these are clear little glass pebbles that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to add them to some of the snowflakes to give them just some oomph, because it still looks kind of plain. Like even with the silver on it, it still looks like the snowflakes look plain, and that ain't a good look.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Okay, so now I'm grabbing some poinsettias that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just took the heads off the stem and just added them to the top of the wreath, just to give it obviously more of a look because it's still a plain wreath at this current moment.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, so these silver flowers came from Big Lots. They were like $1.50 or something like that. I'm just taking the berries off and adding them right above the silver flowers at the bottom, just to give it more, you know, again. And I'm also adding another piece of a pig to both sides of the wreath because they look very malnourished, and that ain't hot. And that's pretty much it. I had some canned snow left over from the Christmas village I made, so I just sprayed the wreath with the canned snow and also sprayed the metal little knocky thingy on the door to give it like a snowy effect because this is the wreath that we use for the front door. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice.
Isn't there anyone who knows what
Okay, so this is just another metal wreath from the Dollar Tree. I just painted it red. Don't look at it and talk about how bad the painting is. I know I'm not nobody's Picasso, but I did what I had to do. But this wreath is just going to be filled with ornaments. All the ornaments came from the Dollar Tree except for that first batch. They came from, where did they come from? They came from Big Lots. I just picked them up because I was just there and they were on sale. But everything else, all the other ornaments came from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just basically going to hot glue them around in circles. I use regular size and then a size smaller than that. You really could just use all regular size ornaments because I really feel like using the smaller size didn't really do anything.
Merry Christmas to you.
So after getting all of the ornaments hot glued to the outer level, I just went in a level or a section and just repeated that process using all of the bigger ornaments or normal size ornaments instead of using the small ones.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Alright y'all, so the footage of me actually making the wreath got deleted. I was trying to clear up storage and deleted that by accident. But it was super easy to make. You just repeat the same process that you did get to see. I did it 3 times. You can do it as many times as you want, I guess, to make it as thick as you want. But I just did it 3 times. I used garland to fill up any gaps that were shown and to cover up any hot glue stains. And those little flowers that you see on it, I got those from Big Lots, and I just glued them on there just to give it just, you know, some pop, I guess. And that was pretty much it. It was super easy to do, and I like it. Okay, so that's the end of that. Like I said, I don't know what happened to the footage of my red wreath. Well, I do know what happened. I accidentally deleted it, but it's okay. I do want to make another video, another wreath like the red and silver one. I don't know where it's gonna go. So I might make another one. I don't think I'm gonna record it though. So yeah, it was simple though. Like I just explained in the video, very simple to do. But yeah, that's the end of this video. So remember, I love you all. Stay humble, stay blessed, live your best life, and live your life for you, because you should only be living for you. Peace.